Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.19 and a momentum of minus 0.55 in the Forex space, which is particularly striking given the historical context. This negative momentum suggests a divergence in trader sentiment that you don't typically see. Momentum is down while sentiment is still slightly positive. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment insights, including scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters, 17 of them in this case, capturing nuanced market feelings. Imagine integrating this into your trading algorithm to adjust your strategies dynamically. You could use the sentiment score to identify potential reversals, while the momentum tells you when to hold back. To dive deeper into how this can enhance your trading strategies, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.